Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bonbon hand puppet. First, gather your essential materials like colorful felt, soft foam, and reliable fabric glue. You'll also need a sharp pair of scissors, a sturdy needle, and matching thread. Don't forget fun embellishments such as googly eyes and some yarn for hair. Having everything ready makes the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create Bonbon's head. Begin by cutting 2 identical oval shapes from your chosen felt color. These will form the main structure of the head. Carefully sew or glue these 2 pieces together along the edges, making sure to leave the bottom open. This opening is crucial for attaching the head to the body later. Gently stuff the head with a small amount of foam or batting to give it a soft, rounded shape. Next, we'll construct the body and arms for your puppet. Cut 2 body pieces from felt, shaping them like a small vest or a simple rectangle with rounded shoulders. Attach these body pieces to the open bottom of the head, either by sewing or gluing them securely. For the arms, create 2 small felt tubes and then attach them to the sides of the body. This gives Bonbon a complete and huggable form. Finally, it's time to bring Bonbon to life with delightful details. Glue on a pair of expressive googly eyes and a cheerful felt mouth to give your puppet personality. You can also attach some colorful yarn for hair or add a small felt bow for extra charm. Once all the glue is dry, slip your hand inside and test the puppet's movement. Enjoy your new handmade Bonbon friend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.